Start with the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficial. I am Kashyap from class Metric, and these are my participants. This is our project, which is about the layers of atmosphere. Let's talk about what is atmosphere. Atmosphere is the mixture of gases, the oxygen, the carbon dioxide, the nitrogen. These are all the gases. When gases combine, they form the atmosphere. So here is a project about the layers of atmosphere, which you can see. The first layer starts with the troposphere. What is troposphere? Troposphere is the lowest layer of the atmosphere, which includes 50, which starts from the 15 kilometers above the earth, and this is the first layer of the earth, as you can see this. Now we can talk about that why troposphere is like present. Like troposphere is where the clouds we experience all the clouds and rains and storms. This layer is really near to us, like we are breathing in this layer. And did you know that 75% of the earth's mass is present in this layer? Now let's gonna talk about the stratosphere. Stratosphere is the second layer which lies above the troposphere, and this layer contains ozone layer. Ozone layer is a protective layer which shields us from the UV rays of sun, which comes direct into ozone layer, then transferred to the earth. Ozone layer is a home. Stratosphere is the home for ozone layer, and this is the layer where aeroplanes fly. Let's talk about even go higher with the mesosphere and thermosphere, which Harim will tell us about.
Thanks, Kashyap. Let's discuss mesosphere and the stratosphere and the thermospheres. Mesosphere is the highest than the stratosphere, and then the stratosphere, it is temperature at minus 91 centigrade. It is higher which extends from 50 to 85 kilometers above the earth's surface. It is temperature about minus 91 centigrade. It is creating the shooting stars which we can see at the night time. Now let's move on thermosphere, which extends from 91 to 800 kilometers above the earth's surface. It is layer which is very hot, and its temperature is 2100 centigrade. It contains ionospheres, which is very helpful for in communicating in radio communication, and it has ISS, which revolves in this orbit. Thanks. Further explain, Sanam.
Thank you, Harim. Let's discuss about the last layer, exosphere. Exosphere is the outermost of layer, extending from 600 km all the way up to 10,000 km above the Earth's surface. This layer is extremely thin, and the air here is so sphere that atoms and molecules can escape into space. It's also where in many satellites orbit the Earth. Thanks.